Welcome to this edition of What's New with CBT Nuggets. We've got a lot of new content, so let's check it out. First up, James Conrad and Keith Barker bring us CompTIA A+ Core 1 training. Whether you're a student looking for a career change or just want to learn something new, the A+ certification is perfect for you to get started. You'll learn how to troubleshoot PCs, configure mobile devices, support networking and cloud technologies, and work with virtualization, all aligned with the latest exam objectives. Through real-world scenarios, interactive modules, and targeted Core 1 practice questions, you'll build practical experience you can apply from day one in roles like help desk technician or IT support specialist. If you want to roll in IT, the A+ is the industry baseline certification to prove you know how to fix hardware, troubleshoot networks, and support users. Next, it's ISACA Certified Information Security Manager Training with Bob Salmons, which prepares you to manage enterprise-level security governance, risk, and incident response. With this training, you'll learn how to design and align security strategy with business objectives, manage third-party and supply chain security risks, develop and evaluate business continuity plans, and more. The CISM consistently ranks among the highest-paying certs in IT. You'll qualify for roles like Information Security Manager, Cybersecurity Program Lead, and IT Risk Director. Employers recognize CISM as the benchmark for leadership in security policy, incident response planning, and program oversight. And finally, Jonathan Barrios introduces CompTIA's DataX certification training. A fairly new cert, DataX is best suited for professionals already working in data-heavy roles, ideal for data scientists, applied statisticians, and AI engineers. You'll learn core data science skills, including statistics, data modeling, and machine learning, how to deploy deep learning models, build pipelines, and apply computer vision in real-world environments. This certification is challenging. It tests not just theoretical knowledge, but the ability to apply advanced data science concepts in realistic scenarios. Success requires a deep understanding of modeling, statistics, machine learning, and tool sets like TensorFlow or PyTorch. DataX is definitely worth it for data professionals who want a rigorous, vendor-neutral certification that proves practical expertise.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. Also, if you're new to IT or are interested in an IT career, visit cbtnuggets.com and sign up for a free trial.